Today, I'll be showing how to make apple syrup using brown sugar. Make sure all tools and equipments are complete before starting. These are all the tools and equipments that we will be needing: pot, strainer, knife, measuring cup, cutting board, bowl, and peeler. While the ingredients that we will be using are apple and 1 cup of sugar. Don't forget to wash your hands before and after cooking or touching food. Let's start. Here are the procedures. First step is to wash the apples. Second step, peel the skin of the apples. Cut them into smaller pieces. Third step, transfer the sliced apples into the pot. Add sugar and a cup of water. After adding all the ingredients, put the pot on the stove and turn it on medium heat. The last and final step is to wait for it to boil. After that, put it in room temperature. After it cooled down, you can now put it in whatever container you want or anything that's available in your own household. You can put the syrup on top of pancakes or mix it with your tea. And the best part is, you can share it with anyone.